Hey everyone, today we're taking a close look at MoneyLion, a mobile finance app that combines banking, budgeting tools, credit building, and small cash advances into one platform. If you're looking for an all-in-one app to help you manage everyday money, build better habits, and get support between paychecks, MoneyLion tries to bring all of that together in a single experience. And here's how it actually feels to use. When you open MoneyLion, what stands out first is how clean and organized the dashboard feels. It shows your balances, recent transactions, and key tools right up front, so you don't have to dig for basic info. Whether you're checking your main account, reviewing spending categories, or seeing personalized insights, the layout makes it easy to understand your money without needing a finance degree. One of the core features is MoneyLion's banking services. You get a checking account with a debit card, and you can do the usual stuff: check your balance, deposit checks with your phone camera, transfer money, and set up direct deposit. Many users like how straightforward it is to manage everyday banking without jumping between different apps or accounts. Another big part of the experience is budgeting and insights. MoneyLion automatically categorizes your spending, shows where your money is going, and offers tips that help you spot trends you might not notice otherwise. If you're trying to avoid overspending or save more, those insights can be especially valuable because they point you in a direction rather than just presenting data. MoneyLion also includes credit building tools, which is a nice bonus if you're working to improve your credit score. The app can help you track your credit profile, understand what impacts your score, and take steps toward improvement. For people who don't have a lot of experience with credit, this kind of guidance can feel really empowering. One feature that's gotten a lot of attention is the cash advance option. If you need a small amount of money before your next paycheck, MoneyLion can offer short-term advances that show up quickly. It's not meant to replace long-term credit or loans, but for unexpected expenses or tight weeks, having that cushion can make a big difference. The fee structure is usually clearer and lower than traditional payday loans, but it's still important to understand the terms before you take an advance. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users find that advanced features require a subscription, which adds a monthly cost, and not all features are available in every region. A few people also mention that certain tools like deeper financial planning or advanced analytics aren't as robust as dedicated budgeting platforms. But for what it's trying to do, bring banking, budgeting, credit building, and cash advances into one seamless app, it does a strong job. Overall, MoneyLion is a versatile, user-friendly financial app that works well for everyday banking, spending insights, and credit support. It's especially useful if you want a central place to manage money without juggling multiple apps or services. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.